John the Chrysostom. He was born in the year 347 and he is known one of the greatest fathers of the church. As for the name, John Chrysostom means the golden mouth. Okay, and as for the word itself means golden mouth, he was an eloquent preacher and speaker. And he tells, when I speak, my laziness go. When I preach, my fatigueness goes, and I am very active. And what did he preach? What did he speak? Only about God. And he was one of the fathers who fought very strongly against Judaism and heresy. As for our today's gospel, is very appropriate according to this gospel. The good man out of the good treasure of his heart produces good evil, for out of the abundance of the heart his mouth speaks. For out of the abundance of the goodness that was existing in John Chrysostom, his mouth spoke about God and with God, and was able to fight against all the adversaries and all the heresies that was taking place in the church. And today's gospel is very appropriate to John Chrysostom because he lived that life. He lived, because many a times we ourselves also cheat ourselves, and we are also being cheated because we see the outside. And many a times we also put a mask among ourselves to show to others we are very, very good persons. But when we inspect or when we see within ourselves, we are also sometimes very rotten within ourselves. And our Christian faith is well revealed in living the faith, in living or following Christ without any double standard, what we call hypocrites. Our external is one thing, our internal is something else, and that is what Jesus hated. And if you look at the teaching of Jesus' teaching was against, mostly against the people who lived a double standard. Who were they? They were the Pharisees, they were the scribes, and therefore Jesus spoke deadly against them.